process nyo naman in deciding whether or not they would be elected?
My track record, what I've done, what I have not done, what I said, what I did not say, and my qualifications and achievements. Because at the end of the day, I made sure of the fact that I separated my personal life from my political life and my job. In fact, best evidence and proof of that would be, early on I already announced, Hart will not join me in any campaign, sortie or rally. She will not campaign for me. She will not appear in any ad. And I've stood pat on that. Can you imagine what would have happened if I did and then this came out?
Yeah,
But you don't have to anymore.
No, but the point is, we agreed early on, and that was, I made sure of that. Hindi ko pinapayagang kumapekto yung personal kong buhay sa trabaho ko. But this one was not my
It's
choice.
already there.
But what I'm saying is, as best we can,
Okay.
we're trying to address the issues as well until this fades away.
I think
So that we can,
yeah.
para eyes on the ball ulit tayo.
Do you feel na itong issue somehow distracted from the campaign, distracted you from the campaign, unnecessary distraction?
Me, of course.
Mas nga siya eh.
Tao lang po, naapektuhan. Lalo na pag hindi ka makasagot. Di ba, hindi naman ako bato. Hindi applicable sa akin yung kantang pusong bato. Again, I'm in an awkward position. I don't want to say anything bad against them. Suffice it to say that everything they said and everything they're doing, they admitted it themselves in their own press con. Gusto lang nila kaming paghiwalayin. And I will leave it at that. As far as I know, as far as we know, we have not done anything, neither have we said anything, neither have we showed anything wrong to them, in front of them, or with them. That's why all of that came as a surprise to us. Baka may anak din ako. Mahal ko rin yung anak ko. But that does not give me a license to either say bad things about other people or hurt any other people. May anak din ako. Pag tanda nila, baka magka-problema kami. Pero kakausapin ko siguro yung anak ko. Hindi ako magpapatawag ng press con. That's the part that we both do not understand. Time heals all wounds. Yung mga hindi posible ngayon, posible siguro bukas makalawa. It's difficult for me to answer these questions kasi naninimbang ako. Magulang ng girlfriend ko sila. Gusto namin maayos sila, syempre, at kami. Hindi to sitwasyon na kapwa ko senador, kapwa ko politiko, binabanatan ako kung ano sinasabi sa akin. Sasagutin ko ng diretsyon at diretsahan yun. At siguro mas magaling ipaliwanag at pakita kung anong tama at anong hindi. Anong totoo at anong hindi. Ito, siguro kahit sila nasa kanila, mahirap magsalita eh. Kailangan mo manimbang, pigilan yung sarili mo sa pagsasalita kasi sa dulo, makikita mo, hopefully, pa rin itong mga taong to eh, makakasalamuha. So ang hirap tuldukan. Hindi ka mukha nun sa politika lang, posible hindi ka rin makita habang nabubuhay ako eh. Kaya okay lang lagay siya sa lugar niya, ito hindi. That's what makes it difficult. Okay naman, pero syempre, devastated. What you saw on TV is basically how she was after that and for the next few days, even week after. But she's getting better.
Are you still hopeful na magkaayos?
Of course. Of course.
Tinatrabaho niyo naman yun, Senator?
Not closing any doors. In fact, opening even the windows. And siyempre, sa dulo, sino ba naman may ayaw ng happy ending? Kaya hanggat maaari, paumanhin tungkol doon, nagpipigil kaming ako magsalita. Kasi siyempre, ayaw mo naman, I don't want to burn bridges. I don't want to close any doors. In fact, I want to keep them. That's why as best we can, we're maintaining respect. Hindi nawawala yung paggalang sa kabila ng lahat ng ito. At wala kaming sinasabing masama. Ako, right man lakad sa kamay. Hanggat maaari, pinipilit namin intindihan. Senator Mayor introduced us by phone.
My phone.
She called me up and gave me Hart's number for me to call her up.
When was this, sir?
Sometime April. Sometime April, last year. Huwag naman this year.
May know na may.
April last year. But we met for the first time sometime.
So kailan yung official na kayo, naging kayo, sir?
Anniversary.
Ako alam ko.
Sometime in July. Hindi ko nga nakakalain, ma'am, na yung bawal na pag-ibig nangyayari ngayon. If I am elected again, continue what we have been doing in the Senate and hopefully be able to pass what we failed to pass.
Anything specific that you'd like
To pass
Yes.
my waiver bill, which seeks to require all government officials to file a waiver together with the SLN, so that we will be applying the same standard we applied to Corona. Remember, there's a Bible provision that says, "Do not judge lest you be judged, for the measure you measure with will be measured back to you." That was the measure that we used to judge Corona. Why shouldn't we apply the same measure to all of us? So our main thrust and objective would be
Yours.
to minimize discretion in government. Minimize discretion, you minimize corruption. Eliminate discretion, you eliminate corruption. And even by simple things. Ang biro ka sa mga...
Up to what level
Like
of
what?
discretion?
Yeah.
Pag madikahon yung ma'am karamihan ng mga bagay-bagay. For example, there was corruption at DBM before. Emmy Bonggodin, Mayor Solas in Peace, adopted one simple rule.
Yeah.
First in, first out. Walang voucher na aktuhan unless may numero. So you submitted voucher number 1, voucher number 2. Papasok yung congressman na isa, magmamadaling bayaran muna yung kanyang voucher. Babayaran yung taga-DBM, uunahin yun, yung iba malalagay sa ilalim. By one simple rule, na-number lang yung lahat.
Yeah.
Pag may lumapit na congressman number 20 yung voucher niya, sorry Mr. Congressman, we are on number 8, we will get to you.
Yeah.
Pero 8 pa lang po kami.
Yeah.
A very simple system. Sabi ko nga sa BIR at Customs, ma'am, hindi lang sa simpleng system, pati simpleng sistema. Bawal ang bulsa sa uniforme nila at lahat ng lamesa walang drawer. Salamin lang. Salamin na lamesa, walang drawer.
Walang secret pocket.
Assessment mo, sir, sa first 3 years na Pinoy.
Not perfect, not perfect, but we're seeing how, at least on his level,
Yes.
that people actually believe and trust that if he knows about it, he will not tolerate it. Not that it's not going on downstairs,
Yeah, it is.
but as soon as it gets to his attention,
Yeah.
he will not allow it.
Yeah.
Name one.
What?
Example.
Siguro, I'll do the reverse. Name me one official, however close to him, who can actually say this line. May kailangan ka ba kay Pinoy? Ako na bala. Sagot ko na yan. Who can say that? Not me, not any of the friends, not any of the party mates, no one. On any issue na gagarantiyan niya kahit sino lumapit. Pare, problema ba yan? Ako na bahala kay Pinoy.
Wala.
Done deal na yan.
Walang ganyan.
Nobody can say that with certainty.
So, ano dapat gawin niya sa next 3 years? Ano po lang?
Sustain
So we
it.
can toast.
Because the only time that the growth we're seeing right now can be felt downstairs in the form of the creation of jobs and increased incomes would be if he can do this for at least 4 quarters or 2 years. If your 6.6% growth can be sustained for the next 4 quarters, mararamdaman ng DOT sa babae. But if it's good for only 1 quarter, the effects won't be felt as much.
Yung